Skillsoft's Frontline Workforce Solution is a scalable, human-centric learning solution built for frontline employees, those essential to operations and customer experience, but often overlooked in traditional training. The Frontline Workforce Solution is organized into several developmental areas, each chosen to fill critical skill gaps identified in workforce research and to support whole person growth. My customers, my life outside of work, my relationships, myself, my team, my work. This framework ensures development is authentic, conversational, and relevant, not corporate jargon. It helps employees thrive in every aspect of their role and life. Every element of Skillsoft's Frontline Workforce Solution is designed with the realities of frontline work in mind. Each module is just 3 to 5 minutes long, bite-sized and focused. This micro-learning approach is intentional. 65% of employees say they feel overwhelmed by traditional training. Each module opens with a relatable scenario. These stories reflect the day-to-day challenges of frontline roles, creating emotional connection and relevance. It's not just about knowledge, it's about feeling seen and understood. The interface is mobile first and features seamless swipe navigation. This isn't video-heavy content that demands headphones or quiet time. It's interactive, intuitive, and built for real-world environments where frontline employees actually learn, on their phones, on the go. Each module ends with a clear, actionable takeaway, something learners can apply immediately on the job. This is learning that drives behavior change, not just awareness. And finally, built-in reflection prompts and feedback loops encourage continuous learning. Employees can pause, think, and even share what they need more of, making the experience personal and empowering. This is what modern frontline learning looks like: fast, flexible, human-centered, and built for impact. Included in the Frontline Workforce Solution are reimagined book reviews, designed to deliver fast, impactful learning for busy frontline employees. Each review offers a concise overview, highlights key insights, and provides practical ways to apply the ideas immediately, whether it's during a break or between shifts. These reviews help learners build confidence, solve problems, and grow in ways that fits their day-to-day reality. This is whole person development, helping employees grow not just as workers, but as people, building skills that matter for their jobs, their teams, their customers, and their lives.